Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to open the Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's begin. Now, before you can open the Adobe Premiere Pro in your computer, if you haven't already, you might want to sign up for a free account. Click this free trial button. What will happen is you just have to follow these simple steps. All right, for example, I'm going to be choosing this kind of package. You will have a 7-day free trial of the Adobe products, which includes the Adobe Premiere Pro. All right, what will happen is you would be forwarded to this section. Now, if you click on continue, what will happen is you would have an option to try the Adobe Premiere Pro. You will be directed to the download page. And then once you do that, once you have successfully installed the Premiere Pro in your computer, all I have to do is click that to your taskbar. For example, in my case, I'm going to be opening the Premiere Pro right here. It's loading, takes a little while, right? Now, once the Adobe Premiere Pro has been launched, all I have to do is select the recent file that you are working. In my case, I'm going to be choosing the deep laughs. All right, and then once it's loaded, just click the video links right here for the media, and you will be forwarded to the section of the videos right here. All right, so these are going to be some of the ways for you to open the Adobe Premiere Pro. And again, if you're opening the Adobe Creative Cloud from the app, just scroll down to the Premiere Pro in the app section and click launch to open it. All right, make sure your Adobe Premiere Pro is properly installed before trying to open it. If not, you can install it to the Adobe Creative Cloud app by downloading the software. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.